So this is a video in response to a question I got on TikTok asking me to go through the calculations for the ethanoic acid titration. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do this by using the 2016 exam question, the 2016 question 1. So it says, to determine the concentration of ethanoic acid in a sample of vinegar, 25 centimeters cubed of the vinegar were diluted to 250 centimeters cubed, and then the diluted vinegar was titrated with a previously standardized solution which contained 1.20 grams of sodium hydroxide in 500 centimeters cubed. On average, 18.75 centimeters cubed of the diluted vinegar were required to neutralize 25 centimeters cubed of this sodium hydroxide solution, and the equation is given below. So, first of all, calculate, number 1, the number of moles of sodium hydroxide in each 25 centimeter cubed portion. So, small tip for any titration question, right? First thing you always do, right, is you write out the equation and fill in the numbers you're given. So, NaOH, give me CH3COONA. Apologies now, this is coming out not best for some reason, or not great for some reason. Plus H2O. I think I have that right, do I? I do, yeah. Okay. So, we're told we have 1.20 grams of sodium hydroxide per 500 centimeters cubed. Okay? And then for ethanoic acid, and we're also told then that we're using 25 centimeters cubed of that in each titration. And then for the ethanoic acid, we're using 18.75 on average for each titration. And we have no concentration for that as of yet, okay? So, I'd always recommend doing that first because it'll help, especially later, you'll see how that'll help. So part 1 is the moles of sodium hydroxide in each 25 centimeter cubed portion, okay? So, we have grams in 500 centimeters cubed. We want to get moles in 25 centimeters cubed. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to convert this 1.20 grams into moles, right? And to go from grams to moles, you want to divide by the RMM. So the RMM of sodium hydroxide, which you will get from the front page of your exam paper, is going to be 23 plus 16 plus 1, which is 40 grams per mole. So then we'll do 1.20 grams over 40 grams per mole. And that gives us 0.03 moles in 500 centimeters cubed. Now, we're asked for 25 centimeters cubed. So, we want to go from moles in 500 to moles in 25 centimeters cubed. Now, you can do this two ways, right? First of all, if you want to, you can go to moles in 1 first. So you can divide by 500, then multiply by 25. Or, if you want to, which is what I'm going to do, you can just divide both sides by 20. So if we're dividing the volume by 40, or by 20, sorry, we have to divide the number of moles by 20. So 0.03 divided by 20 is 1.5 by 10 to the minus 3 moles in 25 centimeters cubed. And that is the answer for part 1. Part 2 then says the number of moles of ethanoic acid per centimeter cubed of diluted vinegar. Okay? So, part 2. So, to find the moles of ethanoic acid, first of all we make a ratio. So, we make a ratio of NaOH is to CH3COOH, and that is a 1:1 ratio, because there's no numbers in front of these, right? There's no 2s or 3s or anything. So the ratio is 1:1. So that means if we have 1 mole of ethanoic acid, we have 1 mole of sodium hydroxide. But we don't have 1 mole, we have 1.5 by 10 to the minus 3. And as the ratio is 1:1, there will also be 1.5 by 10 to the minus 3 moles in 18.575 centimeters cubed. Now, before I move on, right, just a tip, right? See this ratio here I'm after doing, right? You cannot make this ratio with molarities, right? Like if I couldn't do 0.03 moles and put that in a ratio, it wouldn't work out correctly, right? You can only do ratios once you're using volumes written above here. So, right, I can compare 25 centimeters cubed of sodium hydroxide to 18.75 of ethanoic acid. I can't do any other numbers, right? It has to be these numbers here. I hope that makes sense. So, 1.5 by 10 to the minus 3 moles in 18.5 centimeters cubed. We want moles in per centimeter cubed, so that's in 1. And to do that, we're obviously going to divide by 18.75 and divide by 18.75. And doing that gives us 8 by 10 to the minus 5 moles of ethanoic acid in 1 centimeter cubed. Okay? So the second part then. Find the concentration of ethanoic acid in the original vinegar in terms of moles per litre. Okay, so if we go back to the start of the question, right? It says 25 centimeters cubed of the vinegar was diluted to 250 centimeters cubed, right? So 25 was diluted to 250. Okay? So, first things first, we'll get what's called a dilution factor, right? And that is the new volume over the original volume. And that's a factor of 10, okay? So what that means is that if it's diluted by a factor of 10, there is going to be 10 times as much in the original solution, right? So, if we have 8 by 10 to the minus 5 moles in 1 centimeter cubed of diluted vinegar, we will have 10 times as much in 1 centimeter cubed of the original vinegar. So that'll be 8 by 10 to the minus 4 in 1 centimeter cubed. Now they want that as a molarity. Molarity is moles per litre, or moles in 1000 centimeters cubed. So to do that, we just multiply both sides by 1000. Sorry. And that is 0.8 moles in 1000 centimeters cubed. So 0.8 molar. And that's the molarity of the original vinegar. So the important thing here is getting this dilution factor, right? And that's normally involved in any titration where there's liquids. So obviously this one, I know the bleach one as well involves that as well. Okay, and then part 2 is the part I think most people struggle with, and that is, let me see, the concentration of the original vinegar as a percentage weight per volume. So most people don't even know what that means, so they just get confused and have like no idea where to start. So easy thing is, if you know this, right, remember this, right, percentage weight per volume is grams per 100 centimeters cubed. Okay, that's where we want to get to. So currently we have moles per litre per 1000. We want grams per 100, right? So if I have 0.8 moles in 1,000, right, I'm obviously going to have 0.08 moles in 100, just dividing by 10. And then finally I want to convert that moles back into grams. So grams is going to be moles multiplied by the RMM. So the RMM of ethanoic acid is just the masses of all these added up, again taken from the front page of your exam paper, is going to be 12 plus 1 by 3 plus 12 plus 16 plus 16 plus 1, and that is 60 grams per mole. So then 0.08 moles times 60 grams per mole is 4.8 grams per 100 centimeters cubed, and therefore 4.8% weight per volume. And that is that question done. So hopefully this has helped. Feel free to again either watch the video again or message me with any questions if you still have any. But yeah, that's it for this. Thanks guys.